What's going on? What's with the birdie? The birdie wants to come see you. There he is. See? This is kind of fascinating. This interactive bird watching. My goodness, you two are mesmerized. You're pretty quiet. Yeah, this is kind of fun. This is the most quiet I've seen you. Oh, where did he go? There he is. Look, he's come to say hello. Oh, this is great. These are the perfect Dane-sized windows. You're absolutely mesmerized by this bird. One of the quietest videos we've had. There's lots of concentration going on here. There he is. He likes that the top of the trees have been trimmed now. Gives him a better perch. All right. Be careful, Mr. Birdie. Watch the windows. Okay. Girls, go back to your bird watching. All right. Nora's going to make herself comfortable. We have so much fun together. Always stuff to do. There's a second one. Did you see that? There's another birdie. Yeah. Must be Mr. and Mrs. That's kind of cool. All right, you stay safe, Mr. Birdie. Watch the window. I have another one, so. All right, this will keep the girls busy for a few minutes. Happy bird watching.